Hello everybody, I'm back again. So today I'm here to share this journal. This is going to be a design team project for Shabbydabbydoodah. And the digikit that I am used is Victorian Adverts. It's very beautiful and fun. And yeah, I just wanted to share it with you guys real quick. I love the way it turned out. It's only a one signature, so it's not that humongous. But it's still chunky. And it measures 7 5/16, I think, by 5 1/8. So that's the front, and this is the back. I had I know a lot of people ask me about the paper. I had it printed out on Office Depot. So yeah, I was having issues with my printer, so I did a couple of digikits. Had to print them out elsewhere because yeah, but I'm back in gear with a printer. But anyways, I just did a little bit of collaging there, put a little vintage button. So I love how that turned out, and the paper's really pretty. I didn't want to cover that, and I went ahead and added this vintage lace, and it just folds all the way to the back. So let's go in. I used seam binding as a closure. And make sure I'm in frame. So here is the first page. In this first pocket, I have one of the, this kit has a lot of ephemera in there. So, oh, I didn't back this one with cover. Okay, this is gonna have some paper so you guys could journal. I apparently forgot, so I'm gonna pop that over there. A little postcard, and then here's a journaling tag I made, and this is also a piece that comes with the kit. And these just pop in here, and then look at the paper. Really pretty paper. I love it. That's just my style. And then on this side I have a book page pocket. Did a little bit of collage in here. This little label also came with the kit. The first pocket is just holding these two pieces of ephemera. And then on the back, I made another journaling card, also with a piece from the kit. And then on the very back, we have a tag that I made. So that pops in there. And then here I have a little bit of a little collage going, and I just glued it on the two sides so I could use it as a tuck. But it's a cute little butterfly, little flower here, and then the word butterfly, and it's holding these two pieces, and those just pop in there. And then here I have another pocket, again another piece of ephemera that came with the kit. Just did a little bit of layering, some lace there. Look at that page, so pretty. Love the roses. And then in here I have this piece of ephemera. I did use some ephemera that, you know, it's not from the kit. This little piece is from the kit. And so yeah, mix it up a little. This is out of a book. Cute little owl. And then you can journal on the back. And then I have, these are from Mrs. Coggs. Little sayings. She's got various for nature. I think inspirational. Oh, she's got many. So if you guys are looking for little words like that, or little sayings, just go check her out. And then in here, again, a little collage there of lace and stuff. And then I just added lace, and no, it's just lace. And then this flower die cut. I'm not sure. Whoops. I think this one's also from Shabbydabbydoodah. And the word, a little word there. And then in here, another cute little tag. And then this piece of ephemera. And then here I just did a little tabby with just different pieces of lace. Just to give it a little something. Here again, another little piece of ephemera that came with the kit. Added some lace on the bottom. And then in here we have this, we have this bingo card. And then here's another large tag that I made. And I added some of this fun eyelash trim just to spike it up a little bit. There's another page from the kit. Really pretty. I love the colors. Here we have a belly band, and this is part of the kit from Artie Mae's. I think it's her butterfly kit. So yeah, I added a little different mixtures in here. I have my porch prints also in here. So yeah, this is a large journaling card that I made. That just pops back there. Coffee dyed paper here for journaling. Another awesome page from the kit. And then here we have another pocket. Again, did some layering and went crazy with the sewing machine. And then I just have this cute little tag. Keep checking to make sure I didn't forget another one. These I think are from my porch print journaling cards. So it's a little snuggie. Here I have an envelope, and I just did a little bit of layering there, little butterfly. And then this one, journaling card tag, going blank. Another journaling tag I made. So that just pops. Okay, I need two hands. There you go. And then on this side, I did again, used one of the little pieces that came with the kit and just did a little tuck there. And here I added a little journaling card that I made. That just pops there. There's another beautiful page from the kit. Love, love, love that paper. I actually made two out of the kit, but the other one is for someone. So yeah, half of it is for the Etsy shop, half of it is taken. Here again, a little bit of a collage I have going there, and I had an image, and that's printed on photo paper. And then on the back, I just have a large journaling card. That's just tucked back there. Here again, we have some paper for journaling. There's another piece of ephemera that came with the kit, and I turned it into a little pocket. And then here is a tag that I made. Again, one of the pieces from the kit, and then I just added some lace and various papers. I forgot who that I forgot who that paper's from. Oh, and then I have this one here. Just more journaling space. Here is the center of the signature. I love this little piece, and that's just a little tuck. And look at the paper, guys. So pretty. I hated having to cover it, but I didn't want to blank either. This is from my porch print. Excuse me, this one I'm not sure. So there you can journal on the back of those. Here I have a little tuck that I made. And then I made this tag for it. Again, some of this fun, hairy stuff. And then on this side, again, we have another pocket. Start from this cute little tag. And this piece is from my porch prints. And I think this one too. So those just pop in there. Here's another tag I made. This is also part of the kit. So the pieces of ephemera come on various sizes, which is awesome. And then another tag I made. Again, you got some journaling space here. I actually left some pages for journaling. I'm surprised. Here is another book page pocket. And this was a little snippet I made, so I just popped it in there, added this little number and the word joy. And then here is another little journaling card I made. And then this piece of ephemera. I think that's from Pinterest. Another awesome page. And then here's the other side of that envelope. Again, I did another little pocket and added this piece. This comes from my porch prints, the little bee. I don't know why I'm into bees lately. Oh my goodness, I think I have that one over there. Okay, there's two of the same in here. These are, I think, from Victorian Designs. Just little library cards. And then in the envelope we have a large tag, or journaling card I should say, or tag, or both. Here again is the other side of that envelope, and here it's holding a large tag that I made with a nice vintage lady there. And this little piece again came from the kit. I just went ahead and did a little bit of collaging and went sewing crazy. This again, part of the kit. And this tag, I mean this little journaling card, I forgot where it came from, but I just popped it in there. And then here is a journaling card that I made, and this is also part of the kit. Just added some lace, cheesecloth, and then added again some pieces of lace with a little butterfly there. Here, another beautiful page. This here is a little envelope. Well, it's holding this piece of ephemera. And it's just a little envelope booklet. Again, a little bit of lace, cheesecloth, a button, a little stamp there, and then this little number from Nick the Booksmith. And then I did a really small thin tag. How cute is that? And then a little I guess play card. And then I had used this is from a tag, and I cut the bottom piece off. I forgot where I used it at, so I popped it in there. And then on the inside you just have pieces of ephemera. This is part of the kit, and then this is just a cute little journaling card. So those just pop in there. So yeah, I love the little taggy there, so cute. And then it's just held by a paper clip. And then on this side I had added this piece of ephemera just for extra journaling space. Another little book page pocket, and I have these two pieces. These both are from the kit. And then I just did a little bit of collaging. This label, I think it's from Tracy Fox, I think. A cute little butterfly, and the butterfly came from my porch prints. And then I left it open on the side, so I have this large journaling card that I made. And that's one of the pieces of the kit. My husband turned the AC on. I just warmed up and now he's gonna make me freeze again. Another awesome page. I love this piece. I love it. Here did a little bit of collaging, lace, cheesecloth, and then this huge butterfly. And a little date there, or number there. And then here another piece of ephemera from the kit. And then this is also a small piece of the ephemera from the kit, and a journaling card from my porch prints. On this side again I have a cute little corner tuck, and yeah, I think that's the one I did a tutorial on. And then it's just these two pieces of ephemera for journaling space. Another little pocket here, again just a little bit of collaging there, little butterfly with some cheesecloth, did some stamping. then you have this journaling card here. And then on the back, we have a large tag. On this side, another beautiful page. Here's a corner tuck. Again, did a bunch of layering and then added her. She's printed on photo paper. And there is a little tag that I made. And then this is a piece of ephemera from my porch prints. Again, another little tabby of just different lace. This also came with the kit. And then these two pieces of ephemera. And then our last page, that's I think one of my favorite pages from the kit. I love, love, love that. Here I just added this little girl here, and this is from another kit, also from Shabbydabbydoodah. I did not use her on her actual kit because a person that wanted it did not want pictures. So yeah, so I popped her there. She needed to go somewhere. And then this is from my porch prints, and this is a large tag that I made, and I just backed it, stamped on it, and oh, this is some of that sorry silk, I think. And this little birdies came from a bird book of some sort. So yeah, that pops in there. And then our last little pocket, I left this side open, and it's holding this large journaling card. Again, this is from the kit, and it's just copy dyed on the back, copy dyed paper. So it just hides in there, and there's room for much more stuff. But yeah, this is it. I think did I say the pages? I think it's 44 pages front and back. Yeah, I think it's 44 pages front and back. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. This will be listed on Etsy as soon as I get a chance to, but I love the way it turned out. I really love that kit. And I will try to link it on the bottom of my description on this video. Also, I wanted to say that on those envelopes, I know a lot of people are waiting for me to list more. I'm working on them. I'm jumping from project to project. This one was almost done, so I'm like, okay, I need to put the envelopes on the side and finish this, you know, because I didn't want it to sit there. Not to mention, it's a design team project. So yeah, I definitely wanted to get this out there. But I do have some custom orders too that I'm working on. But I will get those envelopes out. I'll probably maybe do a craft with me, or maybe do like Shabbydabbydoodah. What do you call that? OMG, mask making. There you go. Probably should do something like that, because yeah, I need to. Anyways, yeah, that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel, and like I said, it'll be listed on Etsy if anybody's interested. I will see you soon. You guys take care. God bless. Bye.